What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at a beard oil and a beard balm from a company, Mod Cabin. So stay tuned. Alright guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I'm the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, tutorials, beard product reviews, and today we're going to be taking a look at an oil and a balm from a company, the Mod Cabin. Alright, so I purchased this oil and balm off of Amazon. They have their own website, they have Amazon, and they've been around for a little while. They are handcrafted in Boulder County, Colorado. And so I've seen a little bit about these guys on Instagram and social media and just wanted to check them out. Their scents really sounded amazing. So I went through and I had to go through all their scents. They didn't have a whole lot, but I went through their scents and was like, which one do I want to try to do a review for you guys? And so I picked Sweetheart. Let's do the balm first. So they are all natural, handcrafted. There's their logo for the balm. Comes in a silver screw top tin. And it's kind of a yellow. Doesn't look like I've used much, but I promise you I have. And our beard balm and conditioner is an all-natural pomade that instantly makes your beard appear thicker and keeps it moisturized throughout the day. It also provides a light hold and prevents itchy, flaky skin. The ingredients for the balm: shea butter, argan oil, jojoba oil, beeswax, essential oil blend, and it is certified organic. It's 2-ounce balm, and it is creamy. It doesn't take much to get it out at all. And watch this. It's just gone. Now, scent on this. This takes your cedar scent to a different level. See, when I read Sweetheart, I thought it was going to be cologne, but it's not. This is, have you ever opened up a cedar chest, an antique old cedar chest, opened it up, and you got the smell of the cedar? That's this. It's kind of a yellowish color, but the scent on that is amazing. What they have, according to their website, Sweetheart is a blend of balsam, vetiver, and cinnamon. Mod Cabin has been around since 2010. What really drew me to them was this label right here for the oil. It's just got that old antique style label. Clean, simple, yet awesome. Ingredients on their oil: pure argan oil, jojoba oil, and essential oils. That's it. They have 2 carrier oils in this. All right. So again, comes with the limiter top. And you get that little subtle to begin with, and it comes out really well out of this dropper top or limiter top. But I'm gonna tell you, this is one of my, I love the scent. I'm gonna say it's one of my top scents. It feels amazing in beard. I've already got product in, so it feels amazing in beard. And what I found myself doing more times than not was just using the oil during the day just just to be able to get that scent. And then I'd put that, then I would, when I got home from work, I'd throw in the oil, throw in the balm, and let it last the rest of the day. Or flip that up, do the oil and the balm in the morning, and then when I get home, throw in the balm again. But this is amazing. Scent lasted for this, I know it lasted every bit of 6 to 7 hours, if not a touch longer some days, just really according to what I was doing. But if you like that, and again, it's the balsam, vetiver, and cinnamon, and I didn't get any cinnamon. And I don't know if it's just the way that they all mesh and come together, but I really get like an antique cedar, just that, I don't even know how to describe it. It's awesome. The minute I put this in, the first time I wore this, I was like, how am I going to describe this? Because I can't put words on it. But it's a 1 ounce, the oil comes in a 1 ounce bottle. And right now, at the time of filming this, the oil is $14.99 on Amazon and the balm is $18.99. So it's all right there in market average. And I don't remember if they had the combo or if I bought this. I think I bought it individually, but I think they do have some combos where you can maybe save $1 or $2. But yeah, definitely recommend Sweetheart from Mod Cabin. Check them out. Let them know the Bearded Outdoorsman sent you. All right, guys, if you've ever used anything from Mod Cabin, drop me a comment and let me know. I'll put links to Sweetheart in the description below, and you can check them out. Also, make sure to hit the thumbs up on this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you hit that little bell, when you hit subscribe, you'll be notified when I drop new content. So, as always, from the Bearded Outdoorsman, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.